I decided to attend the DC experience because it gives me an opportunity to interact with students in person and my professors in person, and it gives an extra added bonus to my education.
Getting to put a name to a face is always one of the biggest things. Also, the panel of individuals that we always have is great. They hang out, we get to meet them, we get their business cards. I have multiple contacts over at the Society of Human Resource Management now because of coming to these things. I always learn something either about myself or I'm seeing friends that I've met here at the DCX.
Being able to interact with other individuals face-to-face is also never overrated.
If you are feeling like you're not getting the classroom component in your graduate studies because it's all online, this kind of ties everything all together. You get the online learning, but then you do get the connections face-to-face.
I find it to be a refreshing pause as part of the education process and a way to connect best with the students, the faculty, and staff.
Our office visit wasn't directly related to my course of studies. It was still super interesting to learn about DC and the different events that go on.
Really open, it's really fun. If you're on the fence about coming to DCX, I would tell you to come. I mean, you get to meet your professors, you get to meet other people that are going through the same thing that you are, and it's a really supportive environment where we all get to share ideas and we get to work with each other on specific case studies during the DCX.